12 minutes na. Naghihintay kami kasi papunta kami ng China. Ayan, waiting. Ayan. Hindi siya ngayon malamig. Buti hindi siya malamig. Ayan, nakadress lang tayo. Naka-long dress. Guys. Waiting tayo sa ating MTR. Ay, di pala makita kasi may takip pala. Ayan. Ating outfit check. Outfit check. Ayan, guys. Diba? I choose from may isa pa may top FN. May isa pa akong dress dito. Ayan, long dress. And then may isa pang dress. Parang roba siya style. Bigay ni sister sa akin. Aray ko. Bigay ito ng sister ko sa akin. Ayan. Kaya waiting tayo. See you on the China. See you sa China. Excited yung mga kasama ko. Lalo na si sister nagising. Tumawag ng 5:30. Ay 4:30. Ay 5 yung ano ko, yung alarm ko. Hindi na ako nakatulog. Kahit anong pikit ko. Yeah, see you later, guys. So, punta kami ng East Rail Line. Ayan. Waiting ko si sister na dito na daw siya. Hinintay ko muna siya. Ako lang palang dito mag-isa kasi malapit lang kasi ako. 2 station lang naman ako dito. Sila kasi si sister malayo. And then, yung iba ko kasamang mamalaylay unti. Ako yung pinakamalapit dito. Kaya waiting ako sa kanila, guys. Nauna na ako kasi hindi kami magkita. Malapad kasi ito. Iba kasi akong exit. Kaya hindi kami magkita-kita. Dito na lang kami magkita-kita sa, sa train ni sister. Ayan. Dito na ako sa train. Saan na kaya sila? Ayan. Dito na ako, guys, sa train. Wait ko na lang dito sila sa train. Papuntang low, ano. Dito na kami, guys, sa low. Papuntang Chin-Chin. Punta kami ng, ano. Ayun, Circle K, yung. Bishi, Circle K. Ayan, no, Circle K. Ayun na siya, follow the leader daw. Guys, yung aming, ano, tour guide. Ayan, tour guide namin, Cathy.
And not only you, your generation, not only, even the children won't come back. They will ask you, why is happening on your parents' business? Impossible. So, and in China, in the past, you say, how many cameras we have? CCTV in China. For going, run away, impossible. Impossible. Yes. I believe 99.99%. You are so good. You are so nice. You are properly working in Hong Kong. Yes. And why you are working in Hong Kong? Because family, they need you support, right?
Amen.
But we can't make sure 100%. We can't show 100%. Still have 0.0000001%. Someone they are crazy, right? So we need the passport. This is the first reason. Second, enough battery. After 1 day, maybe 2,000, 3,000 pictures you will take. Maybe. So
memory.
you know what's happened before. So taking picture here. Later, take another hand. We taking your passport with us. Mr. Steven, us 86138, right? Hong Kong is 852. Yes. China is 86. This one in the border. When I return your passport, you return this VIP card to me. This is from us, recycle using. And for you, why we give this VIP card? Today, Shenzhen, we have 6 bus. 6 bus go to Yinxian Resort. And some bus go to other place. So this VIP card is for us to recognize you. You are in my group. I'm the first one need to board, I'm okay. you meet everyone in the border, if you want us to remember you, impossible, right? You remember us is very easy. We remember you to her. So this one is for us to recognize you are in my bus. So later, when we go to the restaurant, I can arrange the table. When I go to the park, I can pass the entrance ticket to you, like this. Another one more thing also is important for the driver. I can speak English. I can ask you, you are in my bus? The driver also can speak good English. 2 sentences only. Hello, bye-bye. What's the meaning? It's no meaning, right?
Yes.
So, this one, the driver will check in the car. If orange, he will say nothing, he sits here. If you have other color, he will speak something you cannot understand. It means maybe you're not in my bus. And you know, sometimes when we get to the bus, someone like the heavy jacket, you say, now I already removed my jacket, it's too hard. You can put in the bus. If you have food, how many food you carry with you?
Fruits, biscuits.
Different kind of cake, right? So if something food you don't need to carry, you can leave in the bus. So it means the driver is checked, not orange. He not allowed other people to get on our bus. So it's safe for us if you put anything in the bus. Okay? So now this is the important things. We gave you a passport. The second important thing, we gave you this one VIP card. Also for you, this is very useful. I show you to see the Steven's phone number. If you only in case by mistake or something emergency happens, you need our help. You can't find me. How can you do if you lost the way? You can come to restaurant staff. You can go to the staff in the park. You show this one. They will help you call Mr. Steven. You can tell Steven, hi Steven, so I'm in the group. I have something emergency. I lost my way. I need your help. I'm staying under one tree. Here is one temple. I need my tour guide to come to me to pick me up. Okay? So Steven can call me. We can find you in 10 minutes. But if you're searching me, maybe you need 1 hour, half an hour, like this. I searching you.
Lina. Okay.
Oh yes, Lina. Yes. Maganda Lina. Si Maganda Lina. Yes. Yeah. So this is the easy way. If you need help, emergency, you can call this number. Your phone is not working, but in the park, in the restaurant, all the staff they knows. VIP card is in the group, but they don't know.
And guys, dito na kami sa China. First stop namin dito. Dito din kami. Ang first time kong pumunta dito ng China. Dito yung first stop din namin picture. Hindi ngayon maganda. Maganda dati nung pumunta natin, no? Daming ano doon.
Chinese New Year kasi.
Chinese New Year pala kasi yun. Yan ang first time namin. Chinese New Year pala yun kasi maraming lantern. Ngayon walang lantern kasi tapos na.
Okay, let's make it one queue. Let's make it one queue, one line. Making one line. You see, so nice. We're taking the solo and group later your free time. If you need my help, I'm standing here, helping you for the group picture, small group picture. Okay, so now where is the best place?
Picture daw kami. Busy na kami kaka-picture ba? Nag-group picture muna kami. Mga badali si sister, hindi ako masyado maka-video guys. Mahilig sa picture kasi yun. Sige Dito yung kwarta na dati mabilis lang kami dito eh. Maaga kasi kaya tayo ngayon. Iba pa yung ano, yung mamaya. Ayan na, parang bato siyang design. Yung bato. Against the lights. Against the lights. Okay lang, hindi naman masyadong ano.